What's up everyone, Jacob Rothenberg here, and in today's Kindle publishing video, I'm not actually going to do most of the talking, well, maybe afterwards, but I actually have a video to share with you done by my #1 student, who goes by the Monkey Air, Alex Jordan. So Alex Jordan has been, I would say, absolutely killing it, where he is my first true student who went literally from zero, making $0 online and completely clueless, if he doesn't mind me saying that, to now making over, gosh, I think he made over 2,000 last month, if I'm not mistaken, and he's on pace to do 2,300. Yeah, he almost cleared 3,000, just had to cheat. So, yeah, he's doing amazing. He's scaling up super fast. As I've seen recently, he had his first $300 day on Amazon, and I believe he's averaging between 150 to 200, which is on my level. So the guy is a genius when it comes to creativity and keyword research. I would take some of the credit for teaching him from scratch, but from there I think he's gathered a lot of his own ideas and gathered a lot of his own methodologies on what works. And something that's been doing really well for him, aside from traditional nonfiction publishing, is low content publishing. And he has a low content book. I know what it is because I know. It's a low content book that I believe made $1,600 in the month of October. That basically cost him a negligible amount. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and play Alex's video for you to listen to and see what this is all about. And I think you're going to be excited, especially as this is going to be released 100% free, even though I told him to charge for it. He's made the decision to put out this info for free. So let's take a listen.
Hey guys, welcome to the Low Content Publishing Madness free YouTube course. This will be an overview, and my name is Alex Jordan. So who am I? Well, I've been publishing seriously since May of 2018. I follow the Elite Keyword Mastermind and the Blueprint. Those two methodologies, I've combined their teachings and made my own criteria and whatnot. Right now I have about 30 books up, and in October of 2018 I made $2,600. I have about 10 low content books out, and one low content book in the month of October 2018 made me $1,100. So here's some proof of my dashboards. $2,600.
Not $1,600.
My first one, I did block out the word, but we'll get to that. We'll learn it later in the course. And of course, my top two, word search and maze, two low content books that made me a good amount of money. So I have a good amount of experience in low content books. So what is a low content book? Well, in my opinion, there's an unclear and ununiversal answer as to what a low content book is. Some people count journals, some people don't. I do not count journals. I count journals as no content books. So what's my opinion of a low content book? Is when the majority of a black and white book is not text. And I should say excluding journals. So that's just my opinion, and other people might have other opinions, but you're entitled to that. So some notes. I've never taken a low content course before, so I don't know what other people are teaching. I'm just doing based off my own experience and how I made my money. I don't guarantee quick and easy money. And so what's my goal? Well, it's no income claims, but I'm going to teach you how to make a low content book. And if you know how to publish, you will make money, because a good publisher will make money with any niche or book. So this is just going to teach you how to make another stream of income if you're at that point, or you need to make your first $1,000. So what's the outline of this course? I'm going to cover the pros and cons of a low content book, the common types of a low content book, how to do keyword research, how to assess profitability, how to differentiate the difference between evergreen and short-term trends, a couple examples of some keywords, some best practices, how to make a word search, how to make mazes, how to make a low content type 3 and 4, and other low content illustrative books. After that, we'll go into post-production. What are the rules about reviews? What are the rules about ebooks? Pricing strategy, AMS, the long-term game, and the future of low content books. All this will be covered within the next couple of weeks to months if you're watching this in November of 2018. Thanks for watching, and that was the first video.
All right. Thank you, Alex. And no, we're not going to watch Pokemon Detective Pikachu. Okay, so again, unbeknownst to me, he is releasing this course absolutely 100% free. Okay? So if you're interested, what you need to do is I'm going to leave a link to this video below in my video description, and you need to subscribe to Hey Dude, I'm Alex. And once you're subscribed, within the next couple weeks, Alex is going to drop knowledge bombs on you with the art of low content books. Again, I did coach him on certain criteria we were working on together with low content books, but as far as perfecting and refining all of his strategies and all of his methodologies, particular to low content, he did it himself. So shout outs to Alex for like cracking the code on that, and he's doing really well, guys. So come on, jump on the Jacob coaching train. You know you want to get on here and make some full-time Amazon money. So till then, guys, I'm going to have an announcement tomorrow. I just need to get it ready, and I'll see y'all later. So take care.